stop for
scammer channel.
Hey, what's on guys, and welcome back to the Scammer channel. Before I start video guys, please don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, thumbs up, smash like button, and the comment. Can I get to the 100 subscribers? Please subscribe, click bell and click all, and thank you. Right, so if the war is coming for in the World War, for the in the real aircraft here, and just for the big sport, it just must be run. If you get scared, you're dead. For the aircraft was the target you. For the enemy aircraft with the I don't know what did I say for the thing. So then I play with for the DCS world a long time with the Skyhawk aircraft. I'm a pilot in the A4E Skyhawk, but so I use for the radio some board for the useless. I draw for the bomb. For here, there's already explorer for in the World War. I think I don't know what's going on, so they just keep going. Boom! You see that? I'm ball drop and just go for explorer for gather for the house. Then I don't know for the what's happening here, but I got for the destroyer for the one building. So then no big flowers for the link. So then thanks for the terminated for the cloudboard to just remove for the auto link for the big flowers and just tell him for the mode 1 second. For the in the Twitch channel for my Twitch channel for the last streaming. Just take a look. I don't say anymore. And there are two guys say.
One of the conquerors, 5 followers, Brilliant and Bruce and
Oh, I was lucky for the self with the stringless card blow for the remove for the auto link. So then just stringless just moved up here for the 1 second. Then just some is bug, I don't know why just stringless will move up here for the 1 sec. I just say that for the something. Alright, so the next spans the YouTube comment. First that guy and so much, with so much. He say,
oh yeah? What are we loving? It's a Wonder Man cameo. We things are bigger than should be small. Who can tell what the magic spells will be doing for us? I'll give you all my love to this world. Only to be taught. I can't see, I can't play. How will we be? And nothing going to change the way we live. Cause we can always take but never give, and now that things are changing for the world. See? It's a crazy world we're living in, and I just can't see that helpful use. I'm just in seeing is all we have to give this future made of ritual is really now. Always seem to be made by this law we have. Fund are useless, prices all new technology. Oh, now there is no sound for we all lie on the ground. And I'm thinking what a mess we're in. Hard to know where to begin. If I close slip the sneaky ties that early man has made. And now every mother can choose the cloth of her child. That's not Lexi's way. Well, that's what they said yesterday. There's nothing left to do but play. I think it's kind of fun and new too. What is going to say? To succeed another strength, there's something in this. Futures that we have to be told. Futures made for ritual is really now. Always seem to be guided by this law we have. For us today, history or new technology. Oh, now Leslie is no sound for we alive on the ground. Now Leslie is no sound. If we are alive on the ground. And now his ritual is ready. Forget your ritual is ready. Oh, that's nothing so bad. I know yeah. Of this ritual instability, your lightning has got to change. Yeah. Things will never be the same. And I can go on. While living in oath, our ritual is ready. Oh, this world has got to change. Cause I just can't keep going on. It wasn't ritual. Ritual is easily learning. Everybody winning. The ritual is what it is. Ritual made up of ritual is now. Always seem to be tormented by this love we have. For everything, facing now new technology. Oh no, there's no sound we all lie on the ground. Ritual made of ritual is really now always sent to be born by this love we have. For everything, facing our new technology. Oh no, there's no sound for we are on the ground. We need ritual is ready. 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 Ritual is ready is what we live in. What? You got a legs for tires? Pity W. You scared? Hee 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 ha W. I'm not gonna send the 10-minute scammers. I was sent by the star, yeah. And what's up with the next day? He was a scammer. Thank you. Love you, love you, love you, love you, love you.
Okay, so now this guy's got a terminated for the spam and beating another person in the YouTube video comment here. So then I don't know what's happening here. So second time I report for the that guy's for the report for the copyright video. So he's got for terminated with a third person copyright for the video. And the two guys sent to me, and just take a look for the he say.
Stop force copyright strike because for no reason. It's likely to do that, and you can get arrested and any mortal because of your retard fine meant for mode. And you are making people sue though. So fuck off and stop picking a price of shit. I have tired supporting you and you are just calling me shit scammer or some shit. Yeah, and listen, your videos get more than 5 fucking reviews. So make an anonymity video or we will take action and send gangsta of India and China to Taiwan. I know about Country more than you, and I'll make sure that you will be terminated. Also, what did you suppose you were fatal pilot friend? By the way, I already sent a report to you too.
You can do. So then I just for the two copyright for the video in the Team YouTube. So then yeah, just choose for the copyright video here for the that guy is for got for the warning. They got for warning third time for the third person with the copyright video here, but he got it for terminated. Okay, so then it's terminated after he sent me to again, and he said,
Give me back my channel. Please just remove copyright strike. I will take down all videos with your inside of that. Come on, dude! Please remove the strike of those videos you copyright strike has nothing to do with you. I only use your face as my thumb space.
sorry, just for the copyright strike shoot with by Team YouTube, but I can't do it for your remove from your channel. But then, sorry dude, I'm summoned to the FBI. Video in YouTube here, and if we got it for the third time for the third personal with copyright strike video, we got it is being terminated with the two for the Team YouTube. Okay, then second time with no big followers. I have still for the string left for the cloud board. Okay, this is the first time got scared for the aircraft. If we didn't, you are dead. But the aircraft was targeting you, and you are dead with by for the aircraft with the weapon. So then, if you got scared, just leave for the wall. Alright then, so thanks for watching everyone. Hope you enjoyed guys this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you like, thumbs up, smash like button, and the comment. But now, I will see you in the next videos. Peace out, guys.